Today we talk about how can you find subscriptions on your mobile office app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down. So then you will find here settings. Just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to manage subscriptions, just click on it. So then here you will find all subscriptions you have. Here I have nothing, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.